this video has 420 views now, and if I tell you the amount YouTube actually paid me, you'll be amazed and surprised. And so as a small YouTuber, do not be giving up. YouTube is actually paying small YouTubers now, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you over here on my YouTube. Now let's check quickly over here. Now you could see that this particular video, 420 views, gave me 14.5 watch hours and 5 subscribers. The video actually had 8,000 impressions. What it means is that if all people who saw the video actually clicked to watch, I could have gotten 8,000 views by now. You understand? Now let's move straight away to the engagement. It shows clearly that people actually watched up to the second minute. Okay, up to the second minute. Now quickly, let me send you to the revenue aspect, and I'm sure that's exactly what you want to see, and that's what I'm going to show you to actually motivate and inspire you. You know what, there are a lot of YouTubers who are even having thousands of views, but they are not even getting up to $1. But this one is actually going to shock you. Let's straight away move to the revenue aspect, and that is exactly how much YouTube actually paid me for 400 views over here. That is $1.17 $1.17. Now the question is, how was I able to get this as a small YouTuber with this low views? Because some people are having 1,000 views, 2,000 views, but they are not even getting up to $1. But with only 420 views like this, as you can see clearly over here, yes, I was able to get $1.17 US. I will show you one of the major influences is the traffic source. Now when you check over here at the traffic source, you could see that that's the audience. You could see that my top geography, I'm having India, so that means this particular video Indians watches the more. They watch this video the more. Now let me show you this particular video I'm talking about over here. This is the video, this one, how I gained 1,000 subscribers in 5 days. How I gained 1,000 subscribers in 5 days. So most people watched from India, and that's also another reason. Aside that, you see, you could see that we have a lot of views also from the United States of America. Now one important thing is that whenever you're making a video, please optimize your video such that you can get a lot of traffic from the United States of America and the top countries like Canada, UK, Germany, Australia, and the other countries. This one, if I had actually gotten even USA to get me about a 10.2 percentage, that is to take the Indians position over here, I could have gotten more than the $1.17. That is it, and that's one of the tricks in here. And you know what, I'm having Nigeria and that of Philippines over here. Both are African and Asian countries respectively, and you understand these countries from these two continents actually lower the RPM. Yes, that is it, and that is the truth. And so always whenever you are making your video, make sure you optimize the video so high to get traffic from the top countries like this one. So with this one, USA is having 5.5% of views coming from that side, and that even helped me a lot. So that is it. Now let me show you about the RPM over here so we can get it down here. Now the RPM, as you can see, is $2. Wow, it's $2. So I could have even gotten more than the $2 if I had gotten USA or any of the top countries to top my top geography over here. So I think it's even because of the Indian viewership. That is why I'm having it like this over here. Let me hear from you at the comment section. Is it worth it? And what is your impression seeing this as a small YouTuber? Now that means that when you're also able to get 400 views, you can be able to get this and even more than this one. Yes, and so that is it, and that's exactly what I decided to show you over here. So do not be losing hope. Now when you check over here, YouTube, the advertisers actually pay 6.13 and YouTube pays me 2.79. You can imagine. So they could have done better, but you know what, that is a plus over here. Let me hear from the comment section. What is your impression once again? And where are you watching from? How many subscribers do you have? I am here to support and assist you to get your first 1,000 subscribers, especially those who are not monetized yet. And so if you're not monetized yet, leave a comment down there. Not monetized. Let me hear that. Not monetized down there. And I have a special offer for you. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button to stay glued and updated over here. There are more to come on my channel. My name is Atta Smart, and over here on this my tutorial channel, I give you powerful tips and tricks and hacks to also grow your YouTube channel. If today happens to be your first time, as usual, do well to click on the subscribe button and be part of this wonderful family so that you can always and continuously be receiving powerful tips like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever there is an update, you can also have it on your device. And you know what, before you move, I have this special video over here for you, and this particular video is especially for all of you who are struggling to get your watch hours. If you are struggling to get your watch hours, I have this particular video over here for you. The 4,000 watch hours is very simple to get it. There is something in the YouTube studio that you need to trigger it right now. Change that particular setting, and hey, it's going to trigger the YouTube algorithm to help you get your 4,000 watch hours with ease in few days, and you can also monetize your YouTube channel. Click on this particular video, watch it right now, and let me hear from you over there. Now, see you next time in my next video.